Hello, and welcome back to today's episode. I have a very special topic for you. We are going to unlock the kind of English that textbooks never show you. The kind of English that is alive, real, and used every single day by native speakers. You see, in school, you learned how to say things like, "Hello, how are you?" "I'm fine, thank you." But let me tell you the truth. Nobody, and I mean nobody, talks like that in real life. If you go to New York, London, Sydney, or Toronto, people don't say, "I am fine, thank you." They say things like, "What's up?" or "How's it going?" or even just, "Hey." And today, we're going to dive deep into those everyday phrases. By the end of this episode, you'll have a whole list of expressions that'll make you sound natural, confident, and connected. So grab a notebook and a cup of coffee, and let's begin. Now, you might ask, why don't schools teach us this kind of English? Well, the first reason is that these phrases change very quickly. They're living expressions. They can be slang, idioms, or casual words that evolve with culture. The second reason is that schools focus on safe English. They want you to pass exams, so they give you grammar rules and formal structures. That's important, but it's not enough if you want to truly communicate. And the third reason, teachers themselves often didn't grow up with these phrases. They know standard English, but not the living, breathing version you'll hear on the street. That's why this podcast is powerful, because I am giving you the English that people actually use. Let's start with one of the most common ones. What's up? This is classic casual greeting. Instead of saying, "Hello, how are you?" you just say, "Hey, what's up?" It doesn't literally mean what is up in the sky. It means, how are you? What's going on? An example for this would be friend A, "Hey, what's up?" Friend B, "Not much, just chillin'." Notice how short and natural that is? Phrase 2, how's it going? This is another greeting. Instead of "How are you?" people say, "How's it going?" And the answer? Well, it's usually "Good, you?" An example would be friend A, "Hey, how's it going?" Friend B, "Good, how about you?" You see, it's all about rhythm and speed. Phrase number 3, "I'm broke." This one is super common. It means I don't have money right now. An example, friend would say, "Want to go out for dinner?" You would say, "I'd love to, but I'm broke." Notice how short it is? If you say, "I do not have enough money," that's correct too, but it is too formal. "I'm broke" is what people really say. Phrase 4, hang out. This one is fun. It means to spend time with someone casually. Instead of "Shall we spend time together?" you just say, "Let's hang out." An example would be friend A would say, "What are you doing this weekend?" Friend B, "Not much. Want to hang out?" Simple, casual, natural. Phrase number 5, no worries. This one is especially common in Australia, but it's used worldwide. It means, "It's okay, don't worry." An example, friend, "Sorry I'm late." And then you would say, "No worries." It feels warm, forgiving, and friendly. Phrase number 6, it's not a big deal. This is another way to say it's not important. Example, friend, "Sorry I spilled a little water." You, "It's not a big deal." It makes you sound easygoing and relaxed. Phrase 7, I'm down. This one is interesting. It means, yeah, I agree. I want to do it. Example, friend, do you want to go to the beach tomorrow? You, yeah, I'm down. Funny, right? Down means yes. So weird. Phrase 8, hit me up. This means contact me, message me later. An example would be, friend, if you need help, hit me up on WhatsApp. It's modern, casual, and very common online. Phrase number 9, piece of cake. Now, this idiom means something is very easy. An example would be, your friend would say, how was the exam? And you would say, it was a piece of cake. It paints a picture. Eating cake is easy, so the exam was easy. Phrase 10, I screwed up. This one is powerful. It means I made a mistake, a big mistake. Example, friend, what happened to the project? You, I screwed up. I forgot the deadline. It's honest and very natural. Phrase 11, chill out. This means relax, calm down. Example, why are you so stressed? You, chill out, everything's fine. You'll hear this one a lot in movies. And then phrase 12, my bad. This is another way of saying sorry, my mistake. Example, friend, hey, you took my phone by mistake. You, oh, my bad. Quick, casual apology. Phrase 13, I'm beat. This one means I'm very tired. Example, friend, do you want to go out tonight? You, no, I can't, I'm beat. It's very common after a long day. Phrase 14, no biggie. This one is another version of it's not a big deal. Example, sorry I stepped on your shoe. No biggie. Phrase 15, to crash. This one means to sleep, usually very quickly. Example, I got home after work and just crashed on the bed. Phrase 16, give me a hand. This means help me. Example, can you give me a hand with these boxes? Phrase 17, in no time. This means like very fast or very soon. Example, don't worry, you'll learn these phrases in no time. Phrase 18, I'm starving. This is the natural way to say I am very hungry. Example, let's eat, I'm starving. Phrase 19, break the ice, meaning start a conversation in a comfortable way. Example, at the party, I told a joke to break the ice. And finally, phrase 20, bummer. This one means that something's disappointing. Example, the concert got canceled? What a bummer. Now, let's practice together. I'll say the textbook version and you try to replace it with the real English phrase. Textbook, I am very tired. The real English, I'm beat. Textbook, I am very hungry. Real English, I'm starving. Textbook, it was very easy. Real English, it was a piece of cake. Textbook, please help me. Real English, give me a hand. Textbook, I made a mistake. Real English, I screwed up, or my bad. Good. Keep repeating these until they feel natural. Every English-speaking country has its own flavor. In the UK, you'll hear fancy a cup of meaning, do you want tea? In the US, people say, can I get a refill at restaurants? In Australia, everyone says, no worries, mate. And in Canada, you might hear, I'm sorry all the time, or I'm sorry all the time, even when it's not their fault. Learning these cultural touches makes you not just a speaker of English, but a member of the community. Let's imagine a real life scene. You're in a cafe in Los Angeles. The barista says, hey, what's up? You reply with, not much. How's it going? Later, your friend arrives late. They say, sorry I kept you waiting. You say, no worries, it's not a big deal. Then your friend says, are you hungry? You say, yeah, I'm starving. Your friend says, want to hang out after this? And you reply with, sure, I'm down. Hit me up later. And look at that. In just one little scene, you use 6 or 7 natural phrases. So here's my challenge for you. Choose 5 of these phrases that we went over today and practice them every day this week. Write them down, use them in your conversations, even in online chats. Remember, grammar makes you correct, but phrases like this make you real. And one more thing, don't be afraid to make mistakes. Even if you screw up, it's not a big deal. Just chill out, try again, and you'll improve in no time. Thank you for joining me today. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and remember, English is not just something you learn in school, it's something that you live. See you in the next episode.